Let's see how to use the slicer command in the filters group. This worksheet contains region-wise sales data on sheet 1 and a pivot table based on this data on sheet 2. To create a slicer, click within the pivot table and on the Insert tab in the Filters group, click Slicer. If the slicer option is not activated at first, click Analyze command and then click Insert Slicer option. To create a filter on region, click the region box and click OK. A slicer is created in which you can specify the regions of which you wish to see data. Position the slicer appropriately. Presently, all 4 regions are selected. Click any region to see only that data. Keep the Ctrl key pressed and click another region. Now you can see data related to 2 regions. In this way, slicers enable you to conveniently view exactly the data you need. You can see that a contextual options tab is displayed on the ribbon under Slicer Tools. Select the desired style from the Slicer Styles gallery to enhance the appearance of your slicer. To clear the applied filters, click Clear Filter in the slicer window. To delete the slicer, ensure it is selected and press the Delete key.